Join me as I take on the challenge of packing for the next cruise. I'm using only the best tips and tricks that I can find. Hi guys, welcome back to The Cruising Nurse. I'm Ashley Neal. I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. And today we're going to talk about the ultimate packing hacks for your next cruise. Things you don't want to leave the port without. Packing for a cruise can be a daunting task, and proper packing is essential for a great vacation. So I'm excited to show you what my tips are to help you pack for your next cruise. When it comes to packing for a cruise, most of us face the same challenges. The main one is always space. Space and what to bring for clothing. With a cruise, there's always theme nights, so you have to find out which cruise has what theme nights, whether it's formal night, white night, Hawaiian night, or 80s or 90s theme. You don't want to arrive at your cruise and find out that you can't partake in these fun themed nights because you didn't pack the proper attire. To make the most of your luggage space, try using packing cubes or rolling your clothes to make more space in your luggage. Something I like to do is pack clothes that can be mix and matched throughout different days. Also, you want to make sure you leave enough space in your luggage for souvenirs that you pick up along the way. My top 3 packing hacks can save you time and space. My number 1 hack is having a packing list. Have your essentials set aside and you can cross them off as you go. Whether it's your medications, your passport, your cash, or different clothing for theme nights. Second, pack a small backpack or carry-on case. That way you can bring them on shore excursions to pack your essentials like your sunscreen, your bathing suit, and towels, or a pair of good sneakers if there's a lot of walking. Tip number 3 is what I've just started using recently, is bringing a portable laundry detergent tablet. You can use this throughout your cruise if you decide that you need to wash certain clothing. You can use it in the sink or the shower. It comes in quite handy and you don't have to pay for the laundry service on the cruise line. Packing for a cruise requires some planning and strategy, but hopefully with these tips, you'll be well on your way to a stress-free vacation. Thanks for watching guys, I hope this was helpful. Please leave down in the comments your travel hacks for packing. Let me know what your top 3 are, and I'll see you in the next one.